The University of Nairobi, Kenya Medical Research Institute, KEMRI, and Ohio State University have joined forces in a groundbreaking enterprise. MOHERE is the consortium's program dedicated to training postgraduate students in One Health and research ethics.
The program started in 2023, that is last year, where we enrolled our first cohort. This year, 2024, we've enrolled our second cohort, and I'm glad to say that we'll be graduating our first class this year.
The Master of Science in One Health and Emergency Research Ethics program held a workshop to celebrate its first cohort of students for the successful completion of the one-year course, as well as welcome the second cohort of students. The graduates were excited and shared their experience of the program.
Through this program, we were able to share our experiences, learn from each other, learn from the faculty, and be able to implement some of the things that we've learned into our daily job.
The program is an eye-opener, and it's forcing us to collaborate more. The different sectors now, with what we are looking at, COVID, now mpox, it's forcing us to collaborate more, to be able to take care of such diseases and eventually eradicate them.
The incoming cohort of students expressed their excitement and anticipation for the program, acknowledging that they had been inspired by the pioneers to enroll to the program.
I have taken quite a number of lessons from the students who have just concluded their postgraduate diploma. One of the main things that stood out for me is ethics. Ethics is something that is really important whenever you want to carry out a research or even in your day-to-day activities in your life.
The MOHERE workshop held between 28th and 30th of August at the University of Nairobi featured insightful discussions on research ethics, One Health principles, and practical applications, providing students with knowledge and skills necessary to make significant impact in the field of global health and research.
The program is impacting positively the conduct of research, clinical, biomedical, and behavioral, which is taking place at the human, animal, and environmental interface, in the sense that we are transforming the landscape towards ethical conduct.
And many of them today in this workshop we've had these 2 days talked about how they feel like the program has transformed them, that with a focus on ethics, they feel like they're so much more committed to doing the right thing, to identifying the right things to do in their workplace, in their personal lives, and especially in research.
The program was established in response to the growing need for highly qualified professionals who can address complex global health challenges. The program also aims to equip students with knowledge and skills necessary to conduct ethical and impactful research on One Health. Reporting for UNC TV, my name is Mwikali Jacqueline.